consider the following pairs. And sometimes if you check the question, it's looking like art and culture, and one side the geography and agriculture mixing also, just like geography with environmental issues, biosphere reserve. And they can ask the question geography with history also. So Bodh Gaya, Khajuraho, Shirdi, Nasik. And let's check here. Bodh Gaya, we all are aware of the Buddha Nirman, that it is Bihar area, Bodh Gaya. And this famous place, Bodh Gaya area, southern Bihar, or we can call the Chota Nagpur area, but it's Baghelkhand. Baghelkhand in Madhya Pradesh, a famous area. So if you know that Indian area, for example, you can draw a diagram here. And like that, a crude diagram again. And little bit idea you can keep here, that Baghelkhand in that area, Bundelkhand in this portion, the famous plateaus, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand. Also Vidarbha region in eastern Maharashtra here, Vidarbha region. And this Rayalaseema region in South Andhra, the Tirupati or Guntur, Kurnool area, Nellore area, the Rayalaseema area. Let's check here that Bodh Gaya in Baghelkhand, it is outrightly wrong. So first is wrong. So A and D can't be, neither this option nor this option. So either C or B. Then second, Khajuraho. Khajuraho made by Chandela rulers in Chhatarpur district of Bundelkhand, it is correct. Famous feature of Bundelkhand. 2. And Shirdi in, of course, Maharashtra, but which part of Maharashtra? In Marathwada area, Ahmednagar district. Shirdi in Ahmednagar. That is not too east of Maharashtra, the central Maharashtra, Marathwada region. So Shirdi, Marathwada region. So it is also wrong. So only this part is correct. And Nasik in Malwa. Nasik, Trimbakeshwar, Godavari river origin. And this origin from Sahyadri, Western Ghat area. But it is given Malwa. Malwa is to north. Malwa is here, this side. And this is the Nasik area. So Nasik and Malwa is wrong. So fourth is outrightly wrong. And if you check here that 2, 3, 4, 5, this option is also wrong, then even 2 and 5 automatically is left here. If you know that this fourth is incorrect, Malwa region. Malwa means western part of Madhya Pradesh, Ratlam, Mandsaur area, black soil area, and eastward, slightly westward Rajasthan, touching Gujarat also the Malwa, but not Maharashtra connection anyhow, Malwa region. So it is outrightly wrong. 2 and 5, Tirupati. Tirupati in South Andhra, Rayalaseema region, Tirupati, Guntur, Kurnool, Nellore. So 2 and 5 the right option. So you just consider that any hill station or any religious place, okay, which states are there, which natural features are there. So that could be your habit also. So we have to know that famous places like Tirupati, Nasik or Trimbakeshwar, Kumbh Mela, Nasik, Shirdi also religious place, Khajuraho also a famous architect site also, Bodh Gaya, you all are aware of. So we must have this habit also, that famous places of the India in art and culture and their natural features. Though we know the state, but we have to know some natural feature also. Khajuraho in Bundelkhand, Chhatarpur area. They can ask again the question, Chhatarpur they can ask. Chhatarpur area famous for Khajuraho. And they can ask Ahmednagar famous for Shirdi. Nasik is known for Kumbh Mela on river Godavari, Trimbakeshwar region. Tirupati also, the famous place in Rayalaseema region, South Andhra, dry land. They asked the question Tirupati in the past as well. If you check the question series of the past years. And after this question, let's see the next question also. Which of the following pairs of the states of the India indicates the easternmost and westernmost state? Again the map work. And you know, it is not north-south, it is east-west. And east-west में generally we consider eastward Assam, but we know Arunachal. अरुणाचल, सन कहाँ से पहले राइज होता है? ईस्ट से राइज होता है. अरुण का आंचल, सन और अरुण सेम. तो earlier Arunachal was called as the northeastern provincial, or you can say frontier region in Nepal, but it was renamed as Arunachal due to the Sanskrit version Arun sun, sun का आंचल, जहाँ सन का राइज पहले होता है, सूर्योदय पहले होता है. Arunachal eastern most, and Rajasthan is not west, rather Gujarat Kutch area. And you know, a straightforward question it is basically. And this question that okay, this is the Gujarat area, but they can ask again that which area of the India this one, Run of Kutch, White Desert, largest swampy area of the India, Run of Kutch area. And this side in northeastern area Arunachal, here dense forest of Arunachal touching Myanmar. And this side one place is also there, Kibitu town of Arunachal, Kibitu town near Myanmar. And this side one place Guhar Mota. And they can also longitude 68 degree 7 minute east here, 97 degree 25 minute east here, 97 68 degree. So either they can ask Run of Kutch and dense forest of Arunachal, yes, western easternmost respectively, or India is extended from longitude 68 to 97 degree, or they can ask that westernmost area, one town Guhar Mota, and one is easternmost area, the Kibitu. They can ask easternmost area of the India is swampy marshy land or forested area, a famous forested area, dense forest, Arunachal, Myanmar border. And westernmost area, Run of Kutch, is marshy land, largest marshy land of the India. So this way also you can consider Arunachal and Gujarat, D option. And after this particular part, check the question in this series. Consider following pairs, place of pilgrimage and location. Again, religious place and with natural features. And first we have to focus, okay, Omkareshwar, Pushkar, Sri Sailam. And hills mentioned here, Nalla Mala, Satmala, Mahadev Hill. So name like Sri Sailam, South Indian name. Then let's check South Indian name, Nalla Mala Hill. Okay, it could be possible that it is correct. But Omkareshwar, a famous religious place, even one dam is there on Narmada River, Madhya Pradesh, Omkareshwar, Indra Sagar, Omkareshwar, Maheshwar. These places, famous places here, Omkareshwar. But in MP, we don't find any hill like Satmala Hill. Satmala Hill is near Nasik, part of Western Ghat here. Pushkar is famous lake, and Pushkar Mela animal here also near Ajmer, Pushkar Lake. So Pushkar, if I say, Pushkar is a lake, and famous, this place is also Pushkar town, animal fair in Rajasthan, but it is given Mahadev Hill. Mahadev Hill, famous hill of MP, where we have Dhupgarh, Pachmani area. It is wrong here, outrightly. Omkareshwar is also MP region, and it is Satmala Hill, Maharashtra, near Nasik here. That is also incorrect. Satmala, Nasik area, a part of the Western Ghat. And Satmala Hill का एक side में Western Ghat का and black soil वाला zone भी है. And Sri Sailam, because here none of the option is not available, even you don't know Sri Sailam and Nalla Mala Hill, only one option because second, third is wrong, automatically answer will be A. One only. Sri Sailam, if you check in the diagram or map here, then Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh on Narmada River. And this you can say the Pushkar area in Aravali side near Ajmer, Pushkar. And Sri Sailam in Nalla Mala Hill in Eastern Ghat area, there is Sri Sailam. Sri Sailam is also a famous dam of Andhra and Telangana border, of course. So in Nalla Mala Hill, famous hill of Eastern Ghat, where this location Sri Sailam. So Sri Sailam is wetland, Sri Sailam is tiger reserve also, Sri Sailam is pilgrimage also, Sri Sailam is famous dam also, one of the biggest dam. Recently Telangana and Andhra having some problem on Sri Sailam dam, just like Nagarjuna Sagar dam. After 2014, the Telangana got separate from the Andhra. So option A is correct here. In this series, the next, if we check here, then approach is important here, that how we take up the question for geography, diagram map based, and then we can correlate, okay, which part we are aware of. Let's start from our strength. We know the hill, we know the places, okay, those places. Then we have to compare, okay, which one is correct or incorrect by seeing the picture of the map. In particular region in India, the local people train the roots of the living trees into robust bridges across streams. As the time passes, these bridges become stronger. These unique living root bridges are found in. Actually, uh, these kind of term, that bridges of the roots here of the tree, living roots bridges. It means that we must need dense forest. We need evergreen kind of forest. We need high rainfall area in which the trees are so dense with more branches and lots of roots are available, trees are nearby, and this dense growth, very dense forest. Then Himachal Pradesh, slightly western part, cold dry condition. Tamil Nadu slightly also leeward side, eastern side of Western Ghat, and maximum area also lack of water. Tamil Nadu has water crisis with the Karnataka. And one option is Jharkhand, eastern side, and one option is Meghalaya. Meghalaya is of course high rainfall area. And if we say that this is also a very famous fact that living roads, that people use even these roads for crossing the rivers. Small streams are there. Meghalaya famous for, because it is mountainside area, then water flow is more, heavy rainfall, Mausinram, Cherrapunji and many more. In East Khasi district, this tendency is visible. East Khasi district, Khasi Hill, high rainfall area, more you can say the water. Then Meghalaya is correct option, famous for a term here. You can learn this part, unique living road bridges, very famous statement in the ecology. Meghalaya, people use the roads and then they cross easily, and so strong flexible route these are, and these kind of ways, even the branches are there of the trees, those are being used so nearby each other, dense forest. Wonderful way of tribal people living in that area to cross without any artificial structure, the bridge here. Natural bridge is available by the trees. Just like animals use the climbers, एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़ जाने के लिए छलांग मारकर, ऐसे ही इन प्लांट के पार्ट को यूज़ किया लोगों ने क्रॉस करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू सून.